Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about one of my all-time favorite skincare products. If you watch any of my morning or evening skincare routines, then you will for sure know a bit about this product because I use it in every single video pretty much. Today I'm going to be talking about the Fresh Rose Floral Toner. Ooh, and the crowd goes wild. Whee! I'm obsessed with this toner. I have been using this toner since, I'm gonna say January 2017. We are now in September 2020, so it's definitely been more than 3.5 years. We're going on to 4 years, and it's just such a great toner. I use it in every morning, evening skincare routine video, literally every video. I realized while I was editing my previous video, I mention it in every video, but I never talk about it. I think when I first started my YouTube channel last year, I just dove straight in and it was just like current products that I'm using, and then over time, it's been about a year since I started YouTube, well, a year and a half since I started YouTube, and because I just always use it in every video, I've never talked about it, and I just figured, let me talk about it. This toner deserves its own post, its own dedicated video, and that's what I'm giving it, its own dedicated video. Now, as you guys know, I'm also on a skincare ban, so I'm not buying any skincare unless a product has run out. I've got a one in, one out skincare policy going on at the moment, and if you've been watching any of my recent videos, then you'll know that I've been using this tiny Fresh Rose Floral Toner because my bigger bottle finished a couple of weeks ago. Because it didn't make sense to just order one thing, I feel like that's just such a waste. This is how I think anyway. It was such a waste to just order the one product. So I did do a fresh order and I ordered one other product. So I'm still kind of sticking within my skincare ban-ish. I ordered one other product and I got a couple of samples, which I'm going to show you in this video. And yeah, I'm heading out. I'm going on a morning walk. Me and my sister like to do these like 2-hour walks on the weekend. So that's where I'm off to right now. You can see I'm dressed. I've got my head wrapped. So yeah. That is me. Before we jump into the video, please make sure you remember to give this video a thumbs up, that you remember to subscribe. And without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Howdy guys. Ooh. Okay, so like I've said in my introduction, I forgot to take my dress off, I'm going to be unboxing my most recent order from Fresh. I know a couple of videos back I was saying that I was on a skincare ban and that I wasn't buying excess skincare, I was only buying skincare if a product had finished. So here we are today. My toner has finished. I think if you've been watching my last couple of videos, then you will for sure know that my toner was on its last legs, and I've been using this really tiny 60ml bottle that I had left over, so obviously I had to buy a new one. And yeah, so let's just unbox. I want to quickly show you everything that I got. I really love the Fresh packaging. I think it's just very chic and it is recyclable, so you can recycle everything that they send you. Okay, so first up we have the star of today's video. This is the Fresh Rose Floral Toner, and this needs no introduction, but because of why we're here, this does need introduction. This is just my all-time favorite toner mist, and I've been using this for, I want to say that I've been using this since at least 2017, so it's been a good like over 3 years, because I think I first started using this in January of 2017. So yeah, it's been almost 4 years exclusively of me using this, and like I said in my Banish unboxing video, it doesn't matter what products I'm using, what skincare routine I have going on, what new thing, this is always going to be part of my skincare regimen, my skincare routine, because this is just the best thing since sliced bread. And if you've watched any of my previous videos, then you will obviously also know why I love it, because I use it in literally every single video. I don't think there's a morning or evening skincare routine video that I've not used this. Absolutely obsessed with this. Next, I got the Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream Super Lotus Night Recovery. I've still got like half of a jar left, but because it didn't make sense to just buy one thing, I felt like that would be such a waste, so I just decided to rebuy this. The only exception I've made to my one in one out rule. I absolutely love this night cream, and this cream is the best cream ever, and I always go back to this. And then as usual, Fresh lets you pick up 3 samples, so I basically just picked up just some random samples. So the first one is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow Face Cream. I use this in Malta, so you can make sure you check that out after this video. Then I got the Fresh Rose Face Mask. This is in my top 3 favorite Fresh products. If you've not tried Fresh before and you want to try it out, start with this mask and it will open your mind to how great the rest of the products are. And then last but not least, I got the Fresh Black Tea Firming Corset Cream. This is basically a moisturizer, and I think it's more geared towards mature skin. So if you've got like fine lines, you feel like your skin doesn't feel like firm or as tight anymore, like tied skin, then this is great for that, because it helps to just kind of like not suck it in, but I guess it's like a corset, isn't it? So it just kind of keeps your skin a bit tight, a bit firm. But yeah, so these are the 3 samples that I got. Okay, so like I said, today's video is all about the Fresh Rose Floral Toner. Hands down my favorite toner. I think I've said this a million times now, but I always use this every single morning, evening skincare routine video. This has been featured in it. I think I will continue to use it until, I don't know, literally for the rest of the time. I want to be buried with one of these because people need to know. This is a lifelong dedication. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. Okay. So first of all, what is this? So this is the Fresh Rose Floral Toner. This comes in 2 sizes. You have the 250ml, which is this big one, and then you also have a 60ml, which is this small one. This small one is £12 and this big one is £31. These are really great for traveling. These are 60ml, so they sit underneath the 100ml liquid limit if you are traveling. But then I also like to just keep this at my boyfriend's house, so I tend to buy both of these. And basically this is a soothing toning mist and makeup setting spray that delivers instant hydration with a delicate rose scent. Oh wow, that's quite interesting, because I didn't actually know this was a setting spray. Ooh, I've got ideas now. And this helps to cleanse, hydrate and refresh skin. On the website it says, this alcohol-free extra gentle mist for all skin types, even sensitive, is made with rose water, revered since antiquity for its calming and balancing benefits. It moisturizes for 24 hours for a healthy dewy look. Use it to set makeup and refresh skin throughout the day. According to their in vivo testing, this is proven to significantly moisturize the skin for 24 hours. And the main key ingredient is rose water, and that helps to soothe and tone the skin. This also has glycerin in it. Glycerin is a humectant. I can never say that word properly. It's a humectant, which basically means that it helps to hold on to moisture. It helps keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. So the fact that this has glycerin in it is really great. That's how you know that it really will be hydrating and more nourishing on your skin. Also, it's alcohol free, and I know that quite a lot of like toners and mists and things have alcohol in them. Alcohol can be extremely drying, so especially if you have sensitive skin or like skin inflammation and things like that, you're gonna want non-alcohol products, just because alcohol is drying and it can aggravate inflammation and things like that. So I really love that this is alcohol free, so it's non-irritating. When I have spots and things, it doesn't irritate. It's super soothing, super calming. Rose water is one of those magic ingredients that just makes everything better, and it's really hydrating. So if you have sensitive skin, normal skin, oily skin, combo skin, dry skin, then this is your friend right here. And yeah, on the Fresh website, this has 4.7 stars. For me, this will always have 5 out of 5 stars because I just love it. Anyway guys, my face is so dry. You can see I actually look grey. So I'm gonna get into the morning skincare routine now. So I've opened up my bottle. One of the things that I do really love about this bottle is when you buy the 250ml, it comes in a bottle like this with a screw top. So I think technically you could also travel with this. You can use the screw top to make sure that it's safe and that it doesn't like spill out and stuff. It's kind of like a build your own bottle kind of thing, because it comes with this spritz spray thing that you then put into the bottle. Because I just don't travel with this massive bottle, once it arrives and I open it, I take off the cap and I just bung this straight in, and I don't really use the cap, but the cap definitely does come in handy. When you buy the 60ml, it doesn't come with a cap. I think because the 60ml already has this like protective cap on it, so you don't really need an extra cap, so this kind of helps keep everything together. So yeah, let's just jump straight into the morning routine. Oh my god, like, the thing is, every time I spray this on my face, I literally have the same reaction because it's literally so refreshing. I think it's more refreshing when your face is bone dry. Like, I think because when I'm filming I talk so much that my face gets really dry, but when I'm normally doing this, when I'm not filming, I spray this onto a wet face and it's really nice. It goes on really nicely on top of wet skin, but when I spray it on my dry face, it is just, listen, it's so good. It's so lightweight, it's so fresh. They say it's got a light rose scent, and I think it does have a light scent, but it's so light that you can't really smell it. I've got a bit of a blocked nose right now, but like I can really smell it just the tiniest, faintest amount. So if you don't like fragrances, I would still consider trying this out, just because the fragrance isn't that strong and the fragrance shouldn't affect your skin at all. It instantly, like, the pep, like my skin feels so hydrated. You could see it was looking a bit grey before, but if you see, we're brown again. Like, it's just, this is just super refreshing. I absolutely love it, and you know, it's so good. I always talk about how dry my skin is, deep in the layers. This has really helped with that. I've said in the past that the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum was really instrumental in helping me with my dry skin. The truth is that serum in combination with this toner just completely transformed my skin. My skin did a complete 180, like, just completely turned around, because this is just super soothing. It's super hydrating. It's the rose, it's the glycerin. They're just super hydrating, and I cannot be without this. This is just a holy grail product for me. Probably this is also in the top 3 of my favorite Fresh products, because it's just so great. I don't know, it's just such a simple product. Like, it's just such a simple product that you think you don't need, but when you've used it and then you don't use it, you really see a difference in your skin, and you really see why you need to keep on using it forever. Also, I forgot to mention, one of these bottles will last about like 2 or 3 months. I don't buy this that often. I think I only buy this like 4 or so times a year. Compared to a lot of the other products that I buy, I don't buy this that frequently, because this is 250ml. This does last quite a long time. I think for the price, for the size, for the benefits, chef's kiss. Okay, I'm gonna hurry on and get into the rest of my routine. Like I said in my introduction, I'm going out for a morning walk, so this morning routine is super simple. Like, I'm not gonna put on a ton of products, because I know that when I get back, I'm just gonna wash my face anyway, and I don't want to waste product on my face. So this routine is basically just toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen. So next, I'm gonna go in with my Banish Vitamin C cream. This cream is surprisingly growing on me. Okay, cool. Like, my skin is so glowy today. I love it. Like, the toner and the face cream is just, we're glowing today, guys. Now that moisturizer's on, I'm gonna just quickly get changed, and then when I get back, we're gonna do sunscreen. Hi guys, I'm back. I've put on my head wrap. Guys, my hair is an absolute mess. Like, my hair is such a mess, so I'm in a head wrap. It's funny because on this channel I feel like I'm so shameless. I come on looking any kind of which way, but today I was just like, my hair, nah. I'm gonna wash my hair today. I don't know if I'm gonna film that or not. I might film that because I've not filmed a hair video in a while, so I might film my wash day today. But anyway, wash day aside, so I'm back, I'm changed, got my sports bra on. If anyone cares, we're ready for a walk. Got my head wrap on. Next, I'm gonna go in with sunscreen. fabulous. And then last but not least, got my lip balm. Obviously cannot go out for a walk in the sun when it's sunny without lip balm. This is the Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment Sunscreen SPF 15 lip balm. Okay guys, so we're done. This was my super quick morning skincare routine. Whenever I'm going out in the morning, but it's not like a proper official start of my day, this is the morning routine that I do. Very simple, literally just 3 products, 4 if you include the lip balm. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned more about why I love the Fresh Rose Floral Toner. It's honestly the best toner. I think it's like the only toner I've ever used really, but I love it. I've been using it for almost 4 years. It's so great. Why do I feel like I'm having to sell this to you guys? But no, I'm absolutely obsessed with this. This is just so great. It's so good. I love that it does have the smaller size and the bigger size. So if you're traveling, then you can take the smaller size. But if you're just, you know, at home all the time, then a big size is good. And it's just so lightweight. It's not irritating. It's just... oh, chef's kiss. Anyway guys, I'm gonna head out. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and in the meantime I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.